Hello everyone, how you all are doing? You're listening to Light Channelings, and today we have a very important message for twin flames and soulmates who are experiencing some sort of blockages and obstacles on their path involving families. Okay, so what's going on? What's the matter here? The matter is that in some of your cases, your person's mother or their father is actually purposely trying to bring in the issue of dowry in the picture. Okay, now let me make a point very clear here that the system of dowry is most prevalent, as far as concerned to my knowledge, is in India. But if you are from outside India, or you're living in some other country, but still there are these traditions of demanding huge sum of money in marriages, then this can relate to you as well. Okay, so just take it how it resonates and leave the rest. So what's happening is that this is something that is being used by one or more family members of your person, and it's most likely that you are a feminine or a female and your person is a man. Okay, it is happening to either dominate you and your family, or even bring insult to you in public. Mother is being highlighted here, but a father could be involved as well, or both in some of your cases. So these people actually want or are expecting a huge amount of dowry. You can say money, gold, or any kind of material wealth. They are demanding it and are putting this condition on your person that if you bring in this much amount of money or material wealth in the family, then only they are going to give their consent for your marriage with your person. Okay, so they either know that you are a person of modern values and is strictly against dowry culture and tradition. Still, they are purposely putting these blocks on your way, because it's a possibility that even if you are strictly against this tradition of dowry, your family could still be following a belief system that modern values don't work when it comes to marriages. They may believe that, or they may think, or they may be too concerned about what other people are going to say, that if they will not give anything in the marriage of their daughter, or if relatives are not going to see anything on the show screen or at the at the marriage hall. I'm saying magic hall, my mistake, apologies. At the marriage hall, they think that it will bring a lot of disgrace in the society. It will bring their reputation down. They think like that. So this is what the current situation is, or soon you will find out that this is what's blocking your path. And for some of you, this is going to come out in the near future for you, where you will come to know that this is happening and this is something that is interfering with your connection, or is blocking your way to union or reunion with your person. You could be married as well. Okay, so this message is going to apply to twins and soulmates who are in separation, in no communication, who are in separation with communication, and who were married but got separated, or those who are still living, but this issue of bringing money and wealth into the family is there, and it is somehow somewhere this is being used to torture you or insult you, or block your way in some sort of form. So you'll come to know that your yours or your person's family members are still living or following orthodox belief systems and traditions and mindset, and it's high likely that your person's mother or father has put a condition that they will only, that if you will bring lump sum of money or let's say dowry in the house, then only they will allow them to choose you and marry you, and if not, they will never accept you or never allow you to be in your person's life. Okay, they know, or they might have this belief that their son won't go against them, or they think that their son is not courageous enough to take a stand against them or stand against this. It is actually making them feel super confident about themselves and their plans. But the thing is that it's true that your person may not had the courage to speak up against their parents in the past, but it's actually changing, and it's about to change, and you won't uh, expect it. If this has happened in the past where they didn't said or did anything against this, about this situation where this issue of dowry was brought to the surface because of their beliefs and having been tied up with their family culture and tradition, what's happening is that they are going to break free from that, and I'm being shown that very soon it's going to happen. They are going to raise their voice and speak up about this in front of their family without having any fear, and they are going to show the mirror to their family members exactly what they are. Okay, those who are demanding dowry even in this age. Okay, and I'm being shown that you need to investigate about this issue if you're going through it, and just make sure that you don't jump into anything without investigating the facts clearly. So this parent, coming back to the main message, this parent may actually get really upset at their son for taking this lead and control of their life and deciding and doing what's right for them. And these parents or this particular mother or father may actually curse your person for going against them, or may even do something that uh, is intended to shatter their confidence and courage, but your person is going to do it anyway. And it's happening because what happened in the past, and when your person sat down and reflected on it, they realized that they were just being and acting like a coward in this whole situation, and that literally hit something within them, and they realized that something needs to be changed. This realization was or is actually inspired because of you and the strength you've shown, and this has really made this person change in a lot of ways. Their attitude towards you, towards life, towards family and marriages is changing. Your person's, most likely it's a masculine that is changing his attitude. So on the other hand, what's going to happen with this parent or this family member is that there is a chance that these people or this particular parent may try or will try to pro- project all of their anger and negativity onto you, and may say some really really nasty and mean things about you on your face or to other people. But you need to know that it's all going to backfire on them, and they will have to pay a very big price for doing all of this. A very 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 big price. to hide from their crimes, they may say a lot of things which are completely nonsense, and they may make stories built up of lies to point all the fingers towards you. But you don't need to worry about anything, because justice will be served in your favor. And this can also apply to people who are in twin flame situations or are going through a legal issue which is related to dowry. Okay, so that's what's being shown to me, is that the justice is going to come out in your favor, and it's most likely that those people are going to prison. Okay, so in some of your cases, this person, this parent, or these family members may even go to jail under the charge of taking or demanding dowry, or threatening to break the marriage because their demands have not been fulfilled, or somehow they are going to get a glimpse of what may happen with them if they continue in this vein, and then they are going to stop it. So the outcomes are going to be different for each and every one of you, those who are listening to it. And this message, as I said already, I'm making that point clear again, that this message may apply to the majority of audience living in India or are connected to India. Okay, but doesn't have to be. It can still apply to your situation, and this can still be a message for you if this is your situation. Okay, so that was the message. I just wanted it to be quick, and as I said that, I saw 11:55.